super from strength 37, president 37, ready for election. All right.
Generally, a promotion in the place is a promotion for all, which means I'm a step further ahead, and somebody is taking my previous position. So this promotion is for everybody in the police, because every promotion in the police affects all the strata in the Nigeria police system. So for those who are far ahead of me, and for those that are coming behind me, all I can say is we need to work together to make sure we adequately implement the policies of the Inspector General of Police to have better policing system in this country. We have been having series of challenges in all areas, but I think with the method of policing and the sterling qualities of the Inspector General of Police, we can be able to subdue some of these problems we have. The police must work hard to attain its primacy in internal security mechanism of this country. We must make sure we incorporate all sectors to assist us in our policing structure, in our policing ideas in Nigeria. But what we have, and of course for me, I see this as a challenge, because as an assistant commissioner of police, I need to add more pep in all areas to discharge my duties as expected of me, to even make sure I coordinate certain things that come to me as the first PRO, to make sure that the police has a very good image there. We have an idea of what we are doing. We have a document that we are discussing with the IGP to create many things, to create groups, to implement certain things, to introduce certain things, inject new ideas into policing system in Nigeria that will pay off definitely. Some of them are immediate, some of them are futuristic, that in the next 10, 15 years, this thing will still come. We realize the benefit of what we are doing now. But all I can say for now is that we'll continue to support the IG, we continue to appreciate our members of the public who are willing to support the police. For those who are not willing to support the police, for those who don't have that belief or trust in the police, we're calling on them. These are Nigerian police force. Police force and the society, they are two entities that are highly inseparable. You can't spell a woman without man. You can't spell she without he. It's not possible. All of us must work together. We must have that covalent or electrovalent bonding that will cement our ideas together to have a better security system in this country. So we call on Nigerians to support us. We call on our colleagues who are in the job, in the police force, to please do the right thing at all times. We don't have police supposed to be a very noble profession, and which of course it is. I always say that when you read what the Bible is saying in Genesis chapter 2, verse 15, that was the concept of policing. God was the first person to establish policing. So we will have, God has interest in policing. How much more we that we are his products will not have interest in policing. Everybody is a police personnel. Whether you're a civilian, you are a policeman, you are whatever, we are all just the paid agents. Because we take salaries and emolument from the government, that's just the difference. So everybody in Nigeria must embrace policing structure, must embrace community policing concept, and must be vigilant to make sure we have a better security system in this country. So my promotion is dedicated to all Nigerians, particularly the media, and Nigerians who have belief in the Nigerian police force, who have believed that we have hope in this country. And of course, let me appreciate the Inspector General of Police who recommended me to Service Commission, and I give it to the chairman and the commissioner, the board of Police Service Commission, for approving my promotion. And to all our staff in the public relations department, to all police personnel who are doing good outside there, I dedicate this to them. But for those who are there denting our image as a Fox PRO, I want to appeal to you, turn a new leaf. Police is a very noble job. I want all of you to be a good ambassador of the Nigerian Police Force. More so that we have an IGP that is ready to do the work, somebody that's highly cerebral, somebody who has a lot of plans for us to attain our primacy in this country as a noble security institution called Nigerian Police Force. We appeal to all our colleagues to please turn a new leaf, do good, and make sure Nigerians are part of us and we are part of Nigerians.
Please tell us all of this in French language.
Pardon? I want to say in French that merci beaucoup. Thank you, gentlemen.